What's going on, fine people of YouTube? How you doing this afternoon? We're going to do a pizza on the Rectac on the pizza stone. Been a while. Nothing fancy, just pre-shredded everything, pre-cut. I got the Pizza Buddy, which is just as good as homemade dough. I'll show you that. And we're just getting back into pizza mode for the new thing I got ordered. Wait till you see it coming. It's going to be badass. But let me show you what we're doing here. Got the Pizza Buddy, it's like $1 at old Wally World. I don't know where else they have it. I'm gonna do so. I got some cheapo sauce, some green olives, pepperoni, and then red onion. And I'm gonna let the dough come to room temperature before we start messing with it. And then we'll start heating the stone up. It barely fits on that Rectac Midi, but that's alright. It should work. Alright, so game plan changed. I'm gonna do it in the oven. Boo! Without having a top burner, I don't think it'd cook good without the lid closing all the way. And then the last time I did them, I want to do two of them. Last time I did them on the regular gas grill, the stone got so hot it burnt the crust after like the first or two. After the first one, you can do like one before it gets too hot. But it's gonna be good. Wait till you see what I got coming. Good pizza maker. So I got the oven heating up to 550. We're just going to start working this. I like them nice and thin. I'm going to cheat this time and try this parchment paper trick because I always get them stuck on the damn peel because I have a metal peel and I seem to stick to it because I like if you make them thick crust it's easy, but if you make them thin, they don't seem to. They stick to that damn thing no matter what I do with it. Cornmeal, flour. I'm not worried about it being perfectly round.
Shout out to you, buddy.
There's just going to be a couple small ones. All right. I like it saucy. You make it how you like it. Cardboard cheese out. Shut up, Mike. Put the onion. Where's my red onion? Let's put some olives down. Alright, you don't need to see this. I'll just put it together. You can't get green olives on pizza anywhere. Alright, hold on. Alright, here it is. Let's see what this paper does. I'm going to cook it for a little bit on the paper and then get it off of there. As soon as that, hardens up enough to get it off. Alright, let's see if we can get it off this thing here. There we go. I like that. I like that. That worked good. Way better than fighting with that damn piece. I like it. I'll show you when it's done. Looking good. Let me take it over here to the light. Do a little photo shoot. Alright, let's cut into it. Let's cool down for a minute. See what that crust looks like. Yeah, that's why you need a pizza stone. See that? See that? Perfect crust. That's thicker crust than I'd like. I'm out of the pizza game. And it's not room temperature. You gotta let it get to room temperature. It'll work with you a lot better. When it's still cold, it'll fight you. But it's thin in the middle. That right here is good. That's better than any pizza you can get around here. Even with cheap toppings. Wait till you see the next ones I can do. Get some good toppings. Good quality stuff. But yum. Parchment paper trick, I like it. Yeah, I know you guys will make fun of me, but oh well. Took a lot of the pain out of making a pizza. That paper worked good. Thanks for watching.